problem, it is given that A is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now we have to find A power 100. Now, whenever these type of problems are given, instead of going for A power 100, so what we do is first we'll find A square. Now, A square is nothing but multiplication of A twice. So if I multiply this by using the product rule, so it will be 1, then 0, then 0, then again it is 0, then 1. Now clearly A square is nothing but 1001, which is nothing but an identity matrix. So if A square is I, then A cube will be I into A. That will be again A. Now A power 4 will be A into A, which is A square. Again A square is nothing but I. So A power 4 is I. Now clearly we can see A square is I, A power 4 is I, then similarly A power 6 will be I, so on. A power 100 will be also I. Then the option is A. This problem, we have to find the solution of the differential equation dy minus sin x into sin y dx is equals to 0. I'll convert it into variable separable form. So I'll write it as dy is equals to sin x into sin y into dx. Bring all the similar terms to one side. So it will be dy by sin y is equals to sin x into dx. Now we'll integrate on both sides. So it will be dy by sin y is equals to integral over sin x into dx. Now this can be written as cosecant y dy, and integration of sin is nothing but minus cos x. Now integration of cosecant x is nothing but log mod cosecant x minus cot x. So this can be written as log mod cosecant y minus cot y, that is equals to minus cos x. Now we can write this as log mod 1 by cosecant y plus cot y, which can be written as minus cos x. So I'll write this as log of cosecant y plus cot y raised to the power of minus 1, which is equals to minus cos x. And we can write this as cosecant y plus cot y is equals to e power cos x. And we can cancel this minus and minus. Now cosecant y is nothing but 1 by sin y plus cos y by sin y, that is equals to e power cos x. This can be further simplified as 1 plus cos y by taking the LCM by sin y equals to e power cos x. Now if I simplify, 1 plus cos y is nothing but 2 cos square y by 2 by sin y is 2 sin y by 2 cos y by 2 is equals to e power cos x. That implies e power cos x is equals to cot y by 2. Now further I can write this as tan y by 2 into e power cos x is equals to some constant c, which is nothing but option A. To find the mode of the distribution, which says about the number of students who got marks. So according to this table, there are 6 students who got 4 marks, 7 students who got 5, 10 students obtained 6 marks, 8 students 7 marks, and 3 students 8 marks. Mode is nothing but the maximum frequency. So 10 students has got 6 marks. That means the maximum number of students at 10 who has scored 6 marks. So 6 is nothing but the mode of this distribution, which is nothing but option B.
Is the standard deviation of Poisson distribution 2p of x equals to 1 equals to p of x equals to 2. Here the Poisson distribution probability of x equals to r is m power r e power m e power minus m divided by r factorial. Here 2 m power 1 e power minus 1 divided by 1 factorial is equals to m power 2 e power minus m divided by 2 factorial. So this m is nothing but this gets cancelled. M is equals to 4. Hence variance mean both are equals to 4. Hence standard deviation is equals to under root of variance, that is 2. Hence option D is correct. The probability that A qualifies the test is 2 by 3 and the probability that B qualifies the same test is 3 by 5. What is the probability that only one of them qualifies the test? Here probability is nothing. Probability of only one of them is going to qualify is probability of A star, that is A bar, probability of B, probability of B bar, probability of A. Here probability of A bar is nothing but 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into 2 by 3, that is 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15, 7, that is 7 by 15 is the probability, hence option C is correct.
The question is, by Feld's rule, the group efficiency of a 4-pile group forming a square. So here 4 piles forming a square, the side length is center to center spacing. Center to center spacing is A, then the group efficiency by using this Feld's rule is going to be 13 by 6 for a square pile group of 4, and a triangular equilateral triangle are going to with 3 piles is going to have some other group efficiency by using Feld's rule, and 5 piles forming a square and 1 pile is at the center, so it is having some other group efficiency. These group efficiencies are something different, and the group efficiency for this 4 pile group is 13 by 16. The question is very direct, and the point at which maximum rainfall occurs is called a storm center. What is the shape factor for a rectangle of length L and width B? So the shape factor for a rectangular beam is going to be 1.5, because shape factor is equal to plastic bending moment by actual bending moment about the center of the axis. So it is going to be 3 by 2, so 1.5. Option C is correct. Is dimensional formula for Chizzy's coefficient. So the Chizzy's coefficient V is equal to C root RS, where C is the Chizzy's coefficient to find out the velocity of flow. So V is, if you see the dimensional equation, V is L by T, C root, R is weighted perimeter, not weighted perimeter, hydraulic radius, that is A by P. R is equal to A by P, that is we will get it as L, because it is area, this is weighted perimeter, we will get the dimensional formula as L. So root L. C is equal to L by root L into T, that is equal to C, dimensional formula is equal to L power 1 by 2 T power minus 1. So option D is correct. Question is, if the pressure of sound wave is given as 15 Newton per meter square, then what is the value of sound pressure level? That is SPL we have to find out for this pressure of sound wave. That is equal to 20 log base 10 actual pressure by standard pressure. That is equal to 117 decibels. 117 decibels, option D is correct.